healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? I'm such a drama queen, I'm such a drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make that'll make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired of feeling low and sad and depressed. I gotta move on. La 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 la. If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living? Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you've got one. But there's no hurry, the light calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. You're leaving with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it there's an angel in the crowd where You guys are playing, we've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Waste it crazy.